Pretty evening, students. People who listen to others, ask questions, commend others, and have a positive mindset tend to succeed. Unsuccessful people, meanwhile, blame others for their failures and talk too much. Students, be a successful person. Today I am going to start the first chapter from Unit 1. The name of the chapter is Let No Fat Break This Bread and Hence, boost your immunity against the coronavirus. Consume regularly vegetables and fruits. Drink up to 8 to 10 glasses of water. Good snooze time is 7 to 8 hours, that is sleeping time. Hydration will help flush out the toxins from the body. A good diet should be followed by an exercise regularly. From these motivation questions, you might have understood the topic is related to food. Yes, the title of the lesson is Let No Fat Break This Bread and Butter Bond. It's written by Ruskin Bond. Let's see about the author. Can you name some authors? Can you name some poets? Yes. Let's see about Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. Do you know any Indian author? Find out some Indian author. He has written more than 40 books for children and is the recipient of Sahitya Akademi Award and Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. He has written many poems, short stories. He is a very renowned writer. Students, find out some Indian author and collect some points about him. Students, today I am going to start the first chapter from Unit 1. The name of the chapter is Let No Fat Break This Bread and Butter Bond. What do you mean by fad? Fad means temporary fashion. See? What does fad mean? Olden days, gents used to wear dhotis. Nowadays, they are wearing jeans. Everything changes according to time. That is why he says, let no fad break this butter and butter bond. He's crazy. Fad means craze. He's crazy about butter and bread. Means it's fashion, temporary fashion. For few years, months, or weeks, it changes according to the time. See, we can read this. This term is said to be defined as something that becomes extremely popular within a short period of time and then goes out of style or stops being used in almost the same short period of time. So, fad means I think you have understood temporary fashion. Let no fad break this bread and butter bond. The author, he was very crazy for the bread and butter. Crazy means, I told you, fad, temporary fashion. He is crazy about this. We say foolish or crazy means he likes it or most ultimately he likes it. So he can't sacrifice it for any cost. He was very crazy for the bread and butter. It was the staple food for the writer. Staple means significantly very important food. So let's see what happens. The writer of this story says, bread and butter was his staple diet. He loved bread and butter as snacks. In his age, 80 plus. So now he is 80 plus. In this story, he has explained his own experiment, how he loved bread and butter, how he has habituated of taking this every day, and how it affects his health. If we take the bread and butter every day, you can understand what will happen. He became heart patient. So because of this, he became heart patient. And his dietary advisor told him not to take extra bread because it contains saturated fat. So his dietary advisor means like doctor. They stopped him to take extra bread because it contains saturated fat. How it turns towards healthy habit towards healthy food. As the doctor said, you should not take this. He stopped taking bread and butter and it leads him to take healthy food. He also advised the listener the importance of good food and healthy life. So, through this story, what is his motive? He wants to tell the listener, who are listeners? We are the listeners. Who is telling this story? Who is the speaker of the story? Ruskin Bond. So, he says that he advises us the importance of good food and healthy life. This is a simple story, students. I told you this story in a nutshell. Tomorrow we will see in detailed form. I will read the textbook and explain everything. So, now you read the first page of this lesson, page number 14, and underline the hard words. Find out the hard words and make a sentence of your own and send it to me. I am taking the first page of this lesson and I am going to send you. Next class we will read. Have a nice day. We'll meet you in the next class.